So hello, this is my new tumble jar. It's an Electrolux QDC. I have the condenser version over there, and this version is the vented version. The condenser version is built slightly differently to this vented one, and the other one needs a new fan motor. I've had it a while, I'm just not going around tore them apart and bothered to fix it. But anyway, I got this at the weekend. It was spares and repairs, and I replaced the internal fuses on it, and the machine seemed okay. It's a 2017 May, so it's 3.5 years old, but it's only done 198 hours, so it's hardly been scratched basically. And I said it's a vented sensor dryer. I'm going to dry a few dark items and some towels, which I washed previously. The filter sits in the door, and unlike the previous version, it's got a magnetic door switch. My T4130 has a door pick there, and this one's a magnetic door switch. So let's close the door. Now the programs we've got are really simple. We've got normal, which is high heat, extra dry, low, extra dry, normal, dry, low heat, dry, normal heat or high normal heat, iron dry, low heat, iron dry. We have normal on timed, low on timed, no heating. I'll change the language. So we're going to do a normal cycle. So this little dot indicates that the heating elements have come on. So if I go into status menu, you can see what the heater's doing, air temperatures and residual moisture in the drum. It's run on a 16 amp command load plug, so it's got a 3.1 kilowatt heater in it. Stuff soon dries. And I'll leave the video at that. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.